Hi, my name is Gayatri Manchanda. Earlier, before marriage, I was Gayatri Luthra. I'm from 1996 pass out batch. After doing my hotel management from IHM Bhopal, actually I pursued my graduation along with the hotel management because back in time, it used to be a diploma. So I did the hotel management from Bhopal and then along with my graduation from Delhi University, bachelor's. After passing out from IHM, I started my career with Imperial Hotel as a hotel operation management trainee. I opted for housekeeping, a subject I dearly love, and thanks to Asha ma'am, she taught us so well. I began my career as an HOMT, worked with Imperial Hotel for 7 years. The hotel was kind enough to, let me study along with. So I did 3 years postgraduate diploma in business management from IMT Ghaziabad. Along with that, I did my B.Ed and also a master's in English. 7 years into hotels, great learning. I done my IT at ITC Hotel Maurice Sheraton at the age of 17, which was an entirely different experience altogether. After 7 years in hospitality, I was a young mother. I needed a career change, so I moved on to global mobility. Then I worked in few years in global mobility, working with expats and relocation. And then I spent about 15 years in real estate. I was heading customer service for few reputed companies in Delhi NCR. At the age of 40, my kids were growing up. I wanted to focus also on the family. So I took a career break. I turned into consulting. I consulted for a few years. Along with that, I turned into a writer because writing and reading was a passion for a long time. So I've been writing for last 10 years. I do assisted writing. I have 4 books of assisted writing that have come in, 2 books of translations that have come in. I have 1 book that has come out from Penguin this year. It's a bestseller, Frida McFadden's translation. And I'm also a post consultant. I've been actively working in NGOs for a long time. So I work on the Prevention of Sexual Harassment Act, consult, train corporates, and also an IC member for some of the organizations. So that's about sums up my career. Okay, so you have to remember that I started my career in hotel management in the year 1993. We are the generation which saw the time before the internet and after the internet. So information and the knowledge about the industry was very limited. Um, Service industry was introduced. Friends were going for an interview. We went along, and it was hotels were there was a charm to hotels, to that service industry. So there was no perception per se, but I was curious to go out, live in another city, and pursue a professional course, which will give me the opportunity to work right after the college. There were myths. Myths were like, people thought if you're doing hotel management, you'll be a chef. So, my neighbors would ask me, हमारे भटूरे नहीं फूलते हैं, बता दो तुम्हें सिखाते होंगे hotel management में. So people don't realize how intense and comprehensive the hotel management education can be. I remember we had 10 subjects in the second year. We studied business law, we studied French, we studied all the core operational subjects, front office, F&B, housekeeping, kitchen stewarding, even engineering. So we were exposed to all of that, but people still think that if you're hotel management graduate, you're learning how to cook. See, work-life balance as a concept, not only hotel management, but as Indians, we are still getting there, wherein we can dedicate our time for work and also good time for the family. I had the privilege of having my in-laws live with us, so I could continue to work. But I know of many people who had to quit because they did not have support. You could work up to a time when you're not married, but as a woman, and when you have children, you need support to bring them up. And hotels, frankly, you live hotels, so it's still there. I see this, that people who are still working in hotels work in long hours, though they have very supportive family, but that still has not reached the level wherein you could bring out, because hotel service industry is 24/7 job. So I suggest that people, one, keep upskilling yourself. Even though you've done the hotel management, which empowers you with the soft skills, which is one of the most important prerequisite for any kind of job which has public dealing. So, but keep investing in yourself. So, hotel management will prepare you because it's such an intense program, and our items are well organized. Our curriculum is being updated with the time. The teachers have been given the exposure so that they can bring in the industry experience back to the college. But so keep upskilling yourself, and given your life circumstances, this upskilling and your education and your experience in the hospitality will help you to get into many fields which are out there where you can bring in the work-life balance. It's not there right now, but it's up to you how you manage your life. The prerequisite to do hotel management, there are 3 qualities that you need to have if you want to be a hotel management student. One is the desire to serve others. Second is humility to learn, and also to be the same person that you're at when you're a trainee at 17 and when you're a general manager at 35. So you have to have, and the third is resilience and hard work. Because any kind of industry which is glamorous from outside is a lot of hard work. A lot of hard work, but it gives you a lot of inner satisfaction as well. So if you have these 3 qualities, you will do very well in your career in hospitality and beyond if you do hotel management. First of all, my best wishes to the graduates who are going to be in the industry after finishing their course of hotel management. One advice, please understand, the real life is not, it takes steps to reach further in life. Hard work will take you a long way. What you see and perceive, what you study, it has to match up with your energy in the industry. So do not hesitate from doing any kind of work that involves for you to go further in life. Hard work will take you a long way. Consistency will take you a long way. And you will grow. Look at us. We have wonderful alumni from over the years who've done well, but it is one step at a time. So that's my advice to you. Work hard, be consistent, love your job, and you have a long way to go. Thank you.